Salamga, welcome to another vlog of Radio with you. And for today's vlog, we are going to visit Wozhuro Ranch, that is in Boka District, Nagaland. And I've heard like it's a very good place to visit, so let's go and check it out. And like if you're watching this video and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So without further ado, let me get ready first and let's get going. Chalo! ঠিক আছে তো এটা মোহন ওলাই আছে মিস্টার জাঙ্গা এটা ওলাই আছে মোহন আমার লাপাইতে তো আছে ওয়েদারটা মন ভালো বুঝে গেল 그리고 믹스드 그리고 도가비 Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Guys, this is Wongsa village. Right now we have reached Wongsa village. Maybe थोड़ा टाइम आएगा, maybe ब्लॉग बनाएगा. जगह भी बहुत अच्छा है. Palo voy a dar aquí gana no pensando ya jaga to ekdam na don't leave it from use trash dustbin hala se ye jaga to bro kodala akhir mi bro itu jincak laga pakan ase yoncak pi koi isi jaga pala se apne sabi ai sigule to rukina jabi de holi ko nisna detra nugrubi balba rukina jabi Halo brace kru tuk paise pani sani khabo ha beautiful road. Oh my god, Mount Sapa. Tumlika village, one of the cleanest village in India. One of the cleanest village in India. I repeat, one of the cleanest village in India. Tumlika. subscribe. Kani par kurina yase usido pal pal yase ah solid chejo lando je ida se village oh piro ida mohana ise Piro village kid. Welcome to Piro. Piro village is also one of the oldest village. Nice. Oh hey, hi. Nice here, nice. Agir, fresh shop. Huh? Let's go and see like what's inside. ये मोरंग है, मोरंग इंग्लिश में मोरंग कहते हैं और हमारे डायलेक्ट में चंबो कहते हैं, चंबो. So like in order to follow the tradition, like it was made out of entirely constructed by a bamboo. 도와서 또 디기시는 산만으로 만 발라 보내지. 아래저도 버려 자고 잠깐 사이사이나. So guys, right now we're here at the Mingyudung tree. This place is known as Mingyudung tree. And the most interesting thing about this particular tree is that during the days of head hunting, our forefathers, after beheading the head of the enemies, they used to hang the head of the enemies in this particular tree. So it is very well preserved up to till now. It is very well preserved, and so like guys, like you can see, it's a historical site. So like let's take a closer look. अच्छा अच्छा तरी शो तुम ही जो कोरेगा भेंगा देना मुझे ना अच्छा अच्छा पुराना टाइम है ना. Sorry, one power preserved for it. It is very well preserved. Agir. This is Longzi. Do you know you do non-power preserved for it? 저거 좀 보면은 보다 잘. So guys, right now we are heading toward Mount Dotse. Let's go and enjoy the beauty of it. Chalo, chalo, let's go. Get the steps on. Excellent golden camera. Nice na, like this was a puting na. Don't have got kirana de. Off road na, when you're na. Good man. Bal bas ka ya. Huh? Full down it took all this to. Only clock what puts it. Sugar cane feel. Oh my god. Hurry, sugar cane. So guys, right now we're moving down. Nice. Nice. Akir. Nice view at this one now. Chalo, let's go. Dangerous rasta. Kadarunge khilari. Yeah, so nice. Yaranga mula. So guys, as you can see, that is Mount Dotse, the second highest mountain in Boka. So many myths, stories and all. And this place is not very far from the village. You can come here, you can enjoy this beautiful view. And I'm telling you guys, you're not going to regret it. I'm recommending you all, please do visit this beautiful place. And that's all for today's vlog. Stay tuned for the next video. And so guys, let's enjoy the beauty of this place. Thank you.